Hello guys, welcome to Taste Twist. Today I gonna share a super perfect recipe for your summers to make your summer more cherishable and delightful. This is Kesar Lassi, so let's see what are the ingredients I need to make it. At first I gonna take 200 grams of curd in my mixer jar. Add some sugar. The sugar should be your sweetness preferable. I am using it here as per my preference. Now give it a quick blend to make sure that the sugar is dissolved in the yogurt properly. Now I'm adding here 2 teaspoons full of raisins. Give it some kesar of 2 to 3 pinches and give them a nice blend. My lassi is ready and to be poured in my glass. Serve it chilled and enjoy your cherishable Kesar Lassi. Top with Khoya or Malai and some kesar. I'm allergic to the toast, that's why I'm using it like this. I hope you all like it, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. See you later.